Right, weather-wise out there for you here this morning. If you're waking up, heading out the door this morning, it's going to be much cooler than what we enjoyed yesterday across the area. So that is going to be some good news. No 90s, at least not today. Looking at 50 degrees, taking you out to the UNT campus now. Drier air in place. It was a little muggy yesterday morning when we headed out the door, but look at those dew points behind that front in the upper 30s and low 40s. So yes, that puts us in that very pleasant category as we look at the muggy meter here this morning. So yes, a much different start. We were getting a little sticky there yesterday with those dew points in the 60s. Now over the next few days though, we will have some dry air in place today, but yes, those dew points increase, getting sticky as we head into the weekend. We'll get back into the 60s as that moisture increases Saturday and Sunday. That's going to be out ahead of the front that moves in, but that will set us up for some very good rain chances as we head toward the end of the weekend as well, going into Saturday night and Sunday. Now in the meantime, we'll have clear skies out there for you, some ongoing showers and storms along that front in our far southeastern counties that we had overnight. Those heading on down toward the Gulf Coast right now, some strong thunderstorms across the deep south, those moving toward the Gulf Coast as well. So some pleasant weather out there for us today, but here comes the front as we head into the weekend. Now we'll start out on Saturday dry. This is around 7 p.m. So we'll get through the day Saturday on the dry side. It won't be until Saturday night when we see those showers and storms moving in. Most of that will be along the front. Not anticipating severe weather right now, but some stronger storms can't be ruled out. Maybe some gusty winds, some brief heavy downpours, and maybe even some small hail. So we'll be watching that as that front moves on through. So the storms, the showers and storms will be widespread across the area. So that is the good news for us. Front moves on through, ushering in the much cooler air for us as we go through the day on Sunday. So you see around 7 p.m. still going to have some ongoing showers out there and maybe even some leftovers as we begin the week there on Monday. But the cooler air really does begin to settle in then. Now we could see upwards of 3/4 to maybe an inch of rain around the metroplex here, and it will be fairly widespread. So I think just about everyone will have at least a chance at seeing some showers and storms, maybe some heavier rain in our far southern counties there as well. So some much needed rainfall across North Texas, and take a look at the temperatures. Now we'll be in the low 80s today, close to 90 on Friday, and I think we will see some low 90s on Saturday, and then that drop in the temperatures, daytime highs maybe not getting out of the 60s early next week in that 10-day forecast. Look at that. We'll have some upper 60s through the middle of the week, and those overnight lows dipping down into the upper 40s. All right, looking forward to that.